Hi, Miss Mary Jane. Good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself? What is your full name?
I'm Mary Jane Vian Canosa.
Okay, your age?
I'm 38 years old.
Where do you live?
It's in Rafael, Bulacan.
Okay, what is your current marital status? Are you single or married?
Single mom.
Okay, how many kids do you have?
I have 3 kids, ma'am.
Can you indicate the age of your children and gender?
I have 3 children. One male is 19 years old.
Mm-hmm.
2 daughter is 5 and 1 year old.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
2.
Are you the eldest or the youngest?
I'm the eldest.
Tell me about your educational background. Did you finish high school or college?
College level.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
In what country?
China.
For how many years?
5 years.
As a domestic helper, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
Cooking, laundry,
Mm-hmm.
teaching the children English lesson,
Mm-hmm.
take them to the school,
Mm-hmm.
going to market, cleaning all their stuff in the house.
Okay, did you finish your contract, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, I'm reliable, and I'm also dedicated to work.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
None.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to support my family.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea, how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will read books about what is the effect of the naughty boy or girl.
Okay, your last question, ma'am. What is your message to your future employer?
Dear future employer, I promise to do my work, and I will not break my contract. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.